National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a tornado warning for portions of Chatham County in southeastern Georgia, Beaufort County in southeastern South Carolina, Jasper County in southeastern South Carolina, until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed waterspout was located 5 miles south of Tybee Island, moving northwest at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, weather spotters confirmed waterspout moving onshore. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Hilton Head Island, Bluffton, Tybee Island, Bellinger Hill area, Wilmington Island, Fort Pulaski National Monument, Hutchinson Island, Downtown Savannah, Midtown Savannah and Hunter Army Airfield. This includes the following highways: Interstate 16 between mile markers 165 and 168. Interstate 5, 16 between mile markers 6 and 9. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are difficult to observe at night. Take cover now. Tornadoes from tropical storms or hurricanes can form and move very quickly. Take cover immediately. If you wait until you hear a tornado, it could be too late. Take action now to protect yourself.